The next part of our HTML client-side validation is to prevent the user from putting in an incorrect email. So to start that now, we're not going to get anything major coming out of this at the moment because we've got the button click linked in to do other stuff with our JavaScript. But we're going to put in what's known as a pattern attribute, and the pattern attribute will kind of specify the way that we want it. Now this isn't going to work for the moment. We need to do a little bit of JavaScript as well to help with this, but what this is kind of saying is, okay, so you're going to have, so ignore this first one, this is like an escape character, the first one, but this is kind of saying here that this has to be some string before an at symbol, so something like test, for example, at, and then maybe example or something, again a string after it. So test at example, then you've got your dot and maybe something like, again, another string, .com, IE, UK, whatever the case may be. So we have some JavaScript that has to go along with this, because if you check this now, it's not going to, or the button is just going to click and it won't give you any error. But we need to put some JavaScript with it in the next few videos.